Welcome to how to turn on camera for Snapchat. So in this video we are going to show you how to turn on camera for Snapchat. But before start of this video I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So if you open up your Snapchat application and by default if your camera is not opening up, okay, like as you can see here that my camera has opened up, but in your case if your camera is not opening, so you have to give the camera access to your Snapchat. So how you can do this, you will go into the settings and then you will search for basically Snapchat, okay, and then here you can see that we have the option of camera. So if this is turned off, you just need to turn it on, okay. So this is for iPhone. If you are on Android phone, you will basically go into your Android phone's settings and then you will go into apps, and from there you need to find Snapchat and the process will be the same from there. So that's it for this video guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.